snatch it back and hold it, baby, one more time.
The ever problematic gear selection button over here in the right. In this mode, it's showing you the gear you own and don't own, so basically everything. You click it once, the gear you own is what that little check mark means. You click it again, and the little X means this is the gear you don't. I have the max version, so I have everything. What I didn't realize until today was it also affects your presets, and not really in a logical way. So let's go ahead and click it to stuff I don't own. And then my presets change. And you would think, okay, so this is going to show you some setups that has equipment that you don't own, so you know not to pick them, right? That would make sense. Except I own everything in this chain. And these pedals are currently all turned off anyway, but I own them all, so I don't know why this is showing up when I select gear I don't own. Anyway, very kind of questionable UI design here that you have a preset or a control way over on the left that gets filtered by a control way over on the right, and there's just no affordance of any sort to let you know that that is going on. Be warned, in addition to hiding gear, that button will also hide presets. Rock in peace.